Alright, we're going to do some detailing for the rowing center, and we're going to do a live detail, which means we're going to cut a section of our existing model and then zoom in on a part of it to do some detailing, which mostly detailing is 2D. So I have the PDF pulled up here that has the area that we're going to concentrate on, which is right down here. We have the floor and the beams in and some of the transverse joists in, but a lot of the stuff in here we're going to do by detailing and not modeling. So we're going to cut a section and then pull a detail out of that section and then do some annotations over it. If you're following along with me, or you want to use a file, you can go to the detailing and AO3 detailing zip. This zip also has the families I'm going to use for this, so it makes it a lot easier than having to load all the families separately. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we are going to come in and cut a section through our ramp, because this is the ramp that we're going to section through, and that detail is like right over here. So I'm going to go to my section command and I'm going to left click up here and just draw a cross section. Now I want this section to be facing the other way, so the section matches with the section detail that we have already acquired. So I'm going to flip that section, and then I'm just going to go to that section by stopping the section tool and then double clicking on that section head. Now once we get in here, we could clean up the section if we wanted to, and make it more graphically pleasing. But where we want to take our detail is right here. So if I come in and go to medium, you can see this a little better. You can see, and let's go to thin line, TL. You can see that we have a bunch of stuff in here already. And we're going to come in and detail around this and sort of make it a little bit more readable, right? So the next order of business is to create a detail call out from this section. So in your view tab is a call out, and if you go to the pull down for call out, you have rectangle or sketch, a non-rectangular call out, and we just want to do a rectangle. So I'm going to click on rectangle. And over in our properties dialog box, we have different types. Would be a section call out, so perhaps for a wall section, and you can create different types of sections. I have building sections right now, and then just a detail view. So typically you might have a wall section view and then have a detail view pulled off of that. We're just going to go directly to the detail view, select that, and then draw a rectangle around what we want to detail. And we just want to take a look right now at this area. So I'm just going to left click up here at the top and drag down until I have a sort of a rectangle that encloses that, and then left click. And you'll see that down in my properties dialog box, if I expand, I've got a detail view subcategory now and a detail 0, and that is that detail 0. So it's created a new category and a new detail. And then when we come back, we'll go to this detail and we'll start cleaning up the drawing and getting it ready to use annotations in.